Hi, my name is Kat. I'm a community outreach dietitian, and today I'm at the Oaks Welcome Center at Cypress Cove. Today we're going to be making a delicious basil pesto. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to go ahead and put a 1/2 cup of pine nuts. So these pine nuts are toasted. And when you toast pine nuts, you really can't take your eyes off of the stove because they do toast very quickly. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put 4 cups of arugula, and I will roughly measure this. We are going to add a couple cups of basil. So you can see how many veggies are being put in here. The special thing about this recipe is that we're not going to be adding any cheese. We are going to be using tahini and miso. So what miso does is it gives that umami flavor that cheese would give in the pesto. So first we're going to add the tahini, and tahini is basically just a processed sesame paste. So it's like a peanut butter but made with sesame seeds. So we're going to add a couple tablespoons of that and a couple tablespoons of miso. And then we will finish off with a little bit of rice vinegar. And then we actually need to add a garlic clove as well. So depending on what you're going to be putting this with, if you're going to put it with pasta, you need to add a little bit of water. If you're going to put it on a pizza, you can just spread it as is. Or you can make a salad dressing by adding a little bit more olive oil and maybe a little bit more vinegar.
I hope you enjoyed the cooking demonstration you just saw. It took place in our model kitchen here at the Oaks Welcome Center for Cypress Cove. The Welcome Center is open, and we invite you to visit us here to learn more about the new neighborhood, the Oaks at Cypress Cove.